When I woke up today, I didn't have a smallest of idea that this is gonna happen. It was a busy Tuesday morning and I had to excuse myself from work. As I do not wanted to miss this opportunity, I packed up my gear in a rush and started the journey in the hope of capturing some exquisite photographs of the snowy woodland. Hello and welcome to another episode of my channel. My name is Rohit, and capturing landscape/nature photographs is my hobby for past several years. I was in a rush and didn't exactly plan anything, so I parked my car at the first conservation park I came across, picked up my gear, and started walking. The deeper I go, the more I realize that this is becoming a madness. The snowfall went on, and so was I. As a landscape photographer, these are exactly the conditions that we dream about. White fresh snow blanketed the surroundings and hid all the imperfections of the woodland underneath. I continued moving forward in search of good enough, or I should say clean enough composition, but so far I haven't found anything but trails, woodwalks, and a little chaos. And with that comes the challenging aspect of the woodland, finding the right composition to make a picture out of it. Don't get me wrong, the scenes here are so ethereal and soothing, but to capture a photograph that looks good is not as easy as it feels. As I left the home in hurry, I noticed my GoPro charge was only about half left. I didn't even bring the cloth to clean up the water drops from my prescription glasses or from the camera lens. I fear if my old Nikon DSLR will be good enough to withstand these challenging conditions. At last, I came across this beautiful wooden bridge having the whole arena of trees as a backdrop and decided that must be it. I set up the tripod in a hurry as the GoPro battery was almost bottomed out. Took few exposures as fast as I could, and let me know in the comments how you feel about it. And that's about it. It's time to go back home. The GoPro battery is almost dead and I need to cut short this video in a rush. Thanks for watching everyone, and we'll see you all in the next episode.